New tonight, we're learning bombshell new information in the case of a husband charged with spiking his wife's cereal with a deadly dose of heroin.
This case was back before a judge today, where we heard from a co-worker about a failed murder for hire plot, and defender Karen Drew was in court as the judge decided the case is going to trial.
It seemed like the makings of a movie on what went on inside court today, starting with the judge hearing how Jason Harris tried to hire a hitman to kill his wife.
My feeling was that I thought my brother murdered his wife.
Strong words coming from Jeffrey Harris, the murder suspect's own brother. He told the court about his brother's sexual conversations he was having with another woman a year before Jason's wife was murdered, and how Jason asked him to book a flight and a hotel room for a secret rendezvous.
That purchase was for a hotel room.
Jeffrey Harris testified he canceled the flight and hotel when he realized his brother was planning to see another woman. He later told the court after Christy died, he took his concerns to police.
You're not a betting man, but if you are for this purpose,
Yep.
you had $1,000. How much would you bet that your brother, Jason Harris, killed his wife?
I would bet $1,000.
A former co-worker of Jason's also took the stand, testifying about conversations he had with Jason Harris.
He was just saying that Christina wasn't wanting to go back to work, that he believed the child they had wasn't his, and that she was just laying around the house, not doing anything, and he was just getting tired of it.
Zachariah Schustock also testified Harris tried to hire him as a hitman.
There was a situation where he had asked me if I would kill her for him.
Schustock said no, but never reported his concerns to police. And Harris's defense attorney pounced on that and tried to discredit his testimony because Schustock is a two-time felon. In the end, the judge decided
the individual identified as Jason Thomas Harris, there's probable cause to believe that he committed count 1, premeditated first-degree murder of his wife.
I did reach out to Jason Harris's family as we walked out of court. No one was willing to talk to me on camera. I did reach out to Christy Thomas Harris's family. They issued a statement saying, "We are thankful for all of the work of law enforcement, and we are confident that justice will be served at trial." That's the latest here in Flint. I'm Karen Drew, Local 4 Defenders.